What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping in the next one on our Coldplay journey. A hopeful transmission. Don't let it break your heart. And up with the birds. If you enjoy it, obviously go show Coldplay all the love of the world. Go show Kiji Pangoro the love. We're already subbed up. We already smashed the like button. Let's see what we got. Shout out to Raphael for the request. Let's go. You already know it's gonna be something moving. It's gonna be something real. Coldplay always is. Coldplay knows exactly how to get into your feels and into your emotions and mess around in there. Might make you feel happy. It might make you feel sad sometimes. I don't know. It's gonna make you feel something. Right now, I'm feeling kind of happy. It's like otherworldly right now. At first it was a little overwhelming, but then we just kind of sank into it, and it's, I don't know, it's comfort, and it's just, I don't know, they feel such a big space. That's what I got to say. Coldplay can fill a huge space. We know they can. Just, everything's endless. I can't imagine seeing this live. I can't.
Don't let it break your heart. The birds they sang at break of day. Start again, I hear them say, it's so hard to just walk away. The birds they sang, all a choir. Start again, a little higher. It's a spark in a sea of gray. The sky is blue. Dream that light till it's true. Then taken back, the palm shine through. My arms turn wings, all those clumsy things send me up to that wonderful world. And then I'm up with the birds.
It's like sad but beautiful at the same time. I don't know. How do you have something that has a sad but hopeful vibe? I don't even know if that's like a thing until right now.
Might have to go where they don't know my name. Fly over the world just to see her again. And I won't show I feel any pain, even though my arm and my rust in the rain, a sip of blood. But I know one day good things are coming our way. A sip of blood. But I know one day good things are coming our way.
It's crazy. The only emotion missing was anger. I don't know, man. That's something crazy, crazy to me. How they're able to do that. Chris just got one of the most hypnotic voices of all time. I wish that the first piece of this little threesome that we got going right here was like his voice was more pronounced, but that's the only like negative thing that I can see, and that's being me being real nitpicky because I don't know. I really just love his voice. I could listen to him sing a cappella and it would be just as damn hypnotic as it is like this. You really did. You felt everything. The whole smorgasbord of emotions aside from anger. I wasn't angry at all. I was too peaceful to be angry. Get over and show Kiji Pangoro all the love of the world. Go show Coldplay the love of you. You should already be following them though. 9 times out of 10, that's probably the case. Smash the like button if you liked it. The dislike button, but it won't believe you. Till the next one, I'm either combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. Whatever you to the moon and back. Peace.